Morning, my beautiful people, viewers, subscribers, well wishers. Morning to you all. Yeah, man. And see me on the reef, you know. Don't ask what I'm hunting. Permit, of course. Yeah. The tide is a bit high this morning, guys. Alright. But it's not windy, so it's not too challenging to fish this morning. So just going to set up, cast out these rods, see if I can get a hook up or two. Alright. See, it's rushing at me very fast, rapid. So if the breeze get up, guys, I have to just come off ASAP. But for now, so I can cast my first line. Line number 1 is out. Feel a slight bit of wind, you know, guys. Slight bit of wind. Hope I can stay back for the next 2 hours or so. You know? Give me a reasonable amount of time to fish. Number 2 line. Ensure my jug is set properly. I won't be setting up this one too far. Go and drop it in the shallow here, because sometimes the fish them pass by right in the shallow. So ensure I have them set at 3 different distance out in the water. Alright, so lines are all out, guys. Okay, so there it goes. I'm all set now. So I'm just waiting for my first bite. Alright, so stay tuned. And remember to like the video, guys. Please to comment on the video, share and subscribe. Alright? So soon come back to you. When I come back, hopefully I have a big permit on my line. Alright? Stay tuned. For quite a while now, and no bites. So I'm going to change up the whole plan for today, guys. I'm going to come out to the water now and I'm going to try to see if I can do some snook fishing. So I'm going to pull up these rod and head back around my snook spot. See if I can get a bite or something, you know? Because this is not working out at all. It's not working out at all. So we're not going to really waste much more time out here. So it's a different spot with my lure. See if I can find 2 snook. So stay tuned and watch out for that, alright? Yes, guys, so reach back to the vehicle now. Just put up these rods, head back, run by my snook spot, cast some lure. Alright guys, just stay tuned, alright, for the snook hunting. Yeah guys, so heading back out now. So see you on the spot, alright? Yeah guys, I reach on the spot now. Water is not in a bad condition, you know. Look like I could find a snook or two. What? One way to find out. Get this lure in the water. This is a brand new lure, you know. Nice. Yuzuru, 6-inch Yuzuru. Floating lure. I haven't caught a fish on it as yet. Hopefully this morning will be the morning for it to be baptized. Alright, let me start over here. Check my drag. Yeah. Look like some bait might be in the area as well, guys. I can see a bird diving out there. So come Snook, where are you? Don't see any sign, no chase, no strike. Guys, you have to ensure that the bait is clean at all times, clean from weed or grass. Because if the bait is not clean, it won't look lifelike in the water. And you want to mimic the movements of a fish. Alright, so you want to swim to look as real as possible. So you have to ensure that each time you come in, if there's grass or anything at all, no matter how small, get it off. It will affect the movement of the bait. Alright? So stay tuned. Catch you back when I hook up, alright? Yeah guys. Here it is guys. Yeah, I'm on the first snook of the morning. See him there? Nice little snook, guys. Alright, so I'm going to take him off and get back out there. Alright, stay tuned. Yeah, snook number 1 is down. Ready for snook number 2 now. Guys, because I don't have on the camera constant, that's why I never get to give you the live action with that one. And it never put up much fight, so it never take a long time to come in either. So I'm going to try and see if I can give you something live. I know what you know guys, whenever I see water like this, you know, I always find them. So what, don't work out on the reef today. See me like you go and work out. You know guys, I could stick around by the reef a little bit longer now, but just not, I wasn't feeling it. The water wasn't 100%, but I still could fight it out still, but just never feel. Right now it's pretty early, just after 9 now. And usually I would stuff it out and see the result. I just never feel it, so I just never want to force my feeling, you know. Every time I go get me feeling something always wrong. And so far I see I can make the right decision. So just stay tuned, alright? Yeah guys, I think this is it for the day now guys. So there one baby snook. Yeah man, one baby snook for the day, so I'm gonna get no more strike. There I make multiple casts and no strike. So the reef never work out, but fine breakfast. So just stay tuned and please remember to like, to share and to subscribe. So see you in the next one, alright? Cool.